I think it was because of the Vic I got in a car accident.
Why? What did he do?
He was jealous. This car was faster than his car.
So he set you up?
Yeah. I think he did set me up. He was jealous of my car. He says Urus does 0 to 62.9 seconds, but on the Urus's website it says 3.6 seconds.
Sarkis left work, was going down Sunset Boulevard. Moses said he was driving really fast.
Yeah, he was driving fast.
But we don't know for sure. And unfortunately, somebody was next to him trying to go into his lane, and he was kind of creeping up, and they hit each other.
Yeah.
So his X6M is pretty beat up, and we're gonna show you guys. Sarkis is I think he's happy because I think he realized that the BMW X6M is not a nice car, and maybe he's gonna get rid of it because of this. So we'll see.
Yeah, I think so too. As soon as he got in the car accident, he called me. I was like a minute away, so I turned back. I went there, and of course,
I heard he was crying.
He got out. He was holding his hand with one hand. The other hand, he had a cigarette, of course. And then I heard the ambulance and coming and stuff. They sat him down, literally.
But did he cry?
Wait, the ambulance came?
Ambulance came, yeah.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, they came to see if he was okay. Nothing was happening. He was smoking while he was getting tested. Make sure he was okay. So he's fine. He's okay. But yeah, he was driving fast. Never believe Sarkis when he says I'm not driving fast.
Well, yeah, now the car's here, and we took it apart. So the front end of his car is missing. The front end had substantial damage. He didn't want to show you guys his car and the damage, but he's not here right now. So we're gonna show you guys anyway.
And he wants to upgrade to a Urus. Seriously. He's trying to upgrade to a Urus, and he's not gonna have it. I don't think so.
So we have a 2021 BMW X6 competition. That's my f***ing car. I got in an accident. It wasn't my fault, but
It wasn't your fault?
it wasn't. I got a big hit. The other car was like destroyed.
What kind of car was the other one?
The other one was like a Fiat, like a red Fiat, like complete, like hinge pillar, door, fender. Well, the car was destroyed.
Well, this car's a tough car.
Yes.
What part did you damage with this car?
Corner, like fan, like bumper, fender, hood. Like it was this corner. The guy just like right away just cut front of me. So.
Is it totaled?
Whose car? His car? Yes.
This one.
No, this one no. It's a BMW. It's not a Volkswagen. To be honest, it's the first time I opened my hood. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You never opened the hood?
No. And this is for like a handling and stuff like that. The Urus doesn't have this kind of stuff. Hey, you know what's the car I like? It's the thing, Porsche Turbo GT, the Coupe GT. But the car is not. They're saying they're not gonna release it in the United States. They're just gonna release it in Europe. The car is beautiful.
So what car would you get though if this was actually totaled?
Maybe like M5, CS.
CS?
Yeah, but the thing is like everyone's trying to buy that car.
It's limited?
And it's like it's gonna be like 200 worldwide.
200?
Worldwide.
That's it?
That's it. Or 100 worldwide.
Oh, you're not gonna get it.
No, I have my hookups.
With who?
BMW.
Oh.
I missed my car, to be honest. I missed it.
No, I don't.
You know how I feel it? Look at
It's bad. I'm not doing it.
Let me have it.
No.
Come on.
I'm wearing shorts. No.
Be a macho.
I'm wearing shorts.
Wait, be careful what you had. Hey, come here.
Hey, did your butt cheeks move?
I hear in the back like.
Your butt was moving?
Ah.
You make it clap?
I think.
What is it?
It's the music that makes you mess up all the cars. Does it make you work faster or slower? You're listening to Yanni.
No, this will make me
Work more comfortable.
concentration.
Concentration, yeah.
Yeah.
Constipation or concentration?
Constipation. Hey, Big. Thank you for my iPad.
No problem.
Yeah, he cut my earphones last time. He said, I'm gonna get you new ones. You know why Sarkis does? He take off the shirt and he throw in the garbage.
Stop lying stuff.
So, McLaren 765 LT right here. This is the car we wrapped in that green color. Looks amazing, of course. He had a 720 before, had a set of wheels, So we swapped them out. We put the wheels on this. He always wanted new wheels, so we went ahead and built him a new set of wheels. Check out these wheels. These are really, really dope as they have the step lip, and we got the centers to go deeper, so you're able to see the lip, the step lip, and then the face of the wheel. So they look super deep, concave as well. Normally something like this would have a flat face, but this is still concave. So we're excited to get these on there. Still 2021 inch. So we also got a set of Novatech springs. One of the first to get it for the 765. So we're gonna slam this bad boy, put it on these wheels, make it look amazing. Except we don't have any lifts, unfortunately. We are working on many cars and we haven't had time to throw this on. So stay tuned for the next episode because you're gonna see this guy with these wheels lowered. Oh.
Hey, how long was that?
It was on there for so long.
No,
Not the shirt. Nothing happened to the
nothing
shirt.
happened. Sick, nothing happened.
Right there.
Yeah, but that's just the inside.
Moses says every car is ready without being ready. All right, guys, we are driving Chief Keef's Lamborghini Urus Widebody. You guys saw us build this some time ago. It was all yellow, black and yellow wheels, very flashy, but very cool. Loved it. We just did his Trackhawk in the stealth camo wrap and Widebody, of course. You guys saw that. Really dope. That was viral on the internet. We just matched this Urus to the Trackhawk now with the same wrap, the same really dark stealth camo, custom for Chief Keef. We have not yet put on the shark teeth. As you guys recall, his Trackhawk has those shark teeth graphics on the side, custom made. We didn't put those on yet. We're making them. We also blacked out his wheels completely instead of doing the yellow and black. Still has those yellow Lil Lamb tire stickers on the tires as well, and yellow calipers. We might be changing the color theme with the yellow. We're not sure. He's trying to decide that right now. He might do orange or something. I don't know. We're gonna figure that out. But yeah, we're in his car driving it. I just reset the tire lights. Everything's good. He also got the steering wheel. He loves really modding his cars, as you guys already know. So you got the steering wheel in there too, really crazy custom steering wheel. His kit is all forged carbon fiber, so he got the forged carbon fiber to match. He's also debating getting the interior forged carbon fiber, just like I had in my car. So might be doing that as well. But yeah, for now we took the wide body kit off, we wrapped it, and we put it all back together again. So the stealth camo is really cool because it's not flashy, and it still has, you know, that camo look to it when you go up close and look at it. So really cool. He's gonna really like it. You guys are gonna see it all over online, I'm sure. So yeah, there you have it. Another car for Chief Keef, another wide body Lamborghini Urus.
Hey,
What?
put the dog in the video, okay?
You want to put the dog in the video?
Yeah, they coming from Florida. From Florida, Batu.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Oh, what? Look like a twin?
Dude, it looks like your dog.
Your ears need to be a little bigger. Míralo.
I guess
Like your ears. That's a badass color. Beautiful.
So Rolls Royce Ghost 2021, beautiful, one of the craziest spec Rolls Royce Ghosts I've ever seen. And now it has the RDB wheels, the signature wheels, which are also the baddest wheels you could get, especially on this car. Nobody could prove that wrong. These wheels look amazing in this configuration. And obviously the interior, which is this crazy blue color with white trims. This is an insane spec for a Ghost. We've done a lot of 2021 Ghosts, and we have more on the way. But yeah, this one is one of my favorites for sure.
stickers. Another sticker, I don't give a fuck about stickers. Oh, este sí. That's my size. XXL, loco. Va. XXL. Nasty.
What is it going to take to shave your head? That's what I want to know. What can you possibly want to shave your head? Because I honestly want to shave your head. What do you think?
Why? Why is it bothering you guys so much?
I don't know because
Why is it bothering you guys so much?
I don't know because the front has a little hair, the back has nowhere, the side has a lot of hair.
Oh, I've had this hair forever. I can't you know,
Okay.
I love it.
Okay, let's just do one thing. How about on the next video,
Yeah.
if we get 50,000 likes,
Okay.
we get to shave your head. We haven't got 50,000 likes, so please like so we can shave his head.
Okay, and a $400 bonus monthly. So $100 extra a week on paycheck.
Okay,
For
so
life.
yeah, forever.
Yeah, as soon as the video's done, they're gonna take it out. They're gonna take it back
No.
down to
I'll make sure it's always there. But the point is now, 50,000 likes, $100 a week more, and we get to shave your head. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty
You guys heard it here. You guys heard it right
Deal.
here. So okay, cool. Please please. I really want to shave his head. Maybe if you shave it, a full set of hair would grow.
It's not. No, it's not. It won't grow anymore. Then I'm gonna lose everything, and it's not. This one long piece that I have that's like about 2 feet long is never gonna come back.
It's not 2 feet. 2
Yes, it
feet.
is.
2 feet is like that.
Yeah, it's huge. There's one that goes from here all the way to here.
Plans.
And then
On the next video after that, we might talk about 100,000 likes, and we might get him some hair implants,
I'm gonna look like Sarkis,
which
Gotta
is gonna
shave-
cost me Urus. But
It's a lot of work to shave your head every day. Sarkis shaves his head twice a week, I think, or once a week.
he's probably looking at girls on TikTok.
But if we don't do it, we're not doing it.
If we don't do what?
If the 50K doesn't
Oh, it's
come,
a
we're not
50K.
doing
Okay, and the 400 doesn't happen.
it. Yeah, it's fair. It has to be fair. Of course. Yeah.
Yeah, so both has to happen.
Yeah.
So please give me the likes. The 400 is not a problem.
How
Just
much
please.
is 400? How much more is that a year?
We're gonna do 400 times 12. It's $4,800 a year.
Damn, just to have your head shaved.
So if you save that $4,800 if we shave his head, he's gonna have $4,800 in a year. So I think your hair implants will be like 15,000. So we'll put another whatever to make that 15, and we'll get him some implants.
Damn.